We're starting from Kano, where the state government has said that the files that has corruption file that had indicted the former governor of the state, Alhaji Ganduje, who is now the chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC), is missing. That the files got missing during the hunger protest. Meanwhile, the state government has gone ahead to file new charges against the former governor. It can be recalled that the former governor was at a time seen in a video which has been reported to be doctored, stuffing some dollars into his babariga. Then let's go back home. Let's go down to Anambra State, where something sad had actually happened, where 11 persons had been killed in a very fatal road accident. And this is worrisome along Enugu Port Harcourt Road.